Hello everybody, it is raining at last. Yes, it's so nice to feel the rain. There is a big thunderstorm here. I am camping currently and the tent is absolutely pouring with water, not inside but on the roof. It's a beautiful sound. And there's loads of lightning, there's loads of thunder, and it's just great to feel the rain. You really need it. It's been such a hot summer, so the earth is going to be so thankful for this huge drink. And I am going to bask in it. So I have got myself royally soaked. I was supposed to be keeping dry, to be honest, because there's not that many ways to, stay dry and get your clothes dry and stuff when you're camping. And everything last night was pretty much dry, my coat and everything from being out. However, I could not resist this thunderstorm because it's been so long since I have felt big raindrops like this. So yeah, I'm drenched. So to be honest, I think it's time to head back to my tent now, go and get myself a nice warm cup of coffee and just wait a little while for the storm to pass, because today I want to head off to a waterfall. So I'll see if that can happen or not. Thank you for joining me in the thunderstorm today. I'm wishing you all a wonderful day and I shall see you all again soon. Bye-bye.